This is the part about my side hustle that I don't like. The one time when I have to deal with anything that has to do with the rental of my properties, this is the part that is the worst dreading for me, and that is choosing the tenant, because you just don't know what you're getting. You just don't know what you're getting. Now that the property is listed on Section 8 on affordable.com housing website, so it's I've been getting a few calls, well, and just going through the whole selection process is not heartwarming for me. Because you listen to everybody's story, and you don't want to be judgmental. Some situations are just heart wrenching, but you still don't want to get your feelings involved because this is a business. And I'm a compassionate person. You always put people first before a business. But at the same time, I have to protect myself. So I have quite a few people that came in, and for some reason, there's this one 23-year-old girl. It's her first time um, living on her own in her own apartment, and she has a young child, and that can be frightening as well. But I want to give her a chance. Looks like she looks like a very nice young lady. I'm sure she can turn out to be dreadful, because they all come sweet and nice, and later on it's dreadful. So I think that I'm going to probably give her a chance and see where we take it from there. Um, her and her daughter, she did actually assure me, as if I believe, um, there won't be any boyfriends coming in. Little girl, you're 23. I expect it. You just can't live. They just can't live in the property, and she's very well aware of that. So, but I'm gonna give her a chance. But the here's the thing that's a struggle for people in this time, and most cannot come up with the security down payment, the security deposit. Most of them cannot. They just can't afford it. It's no shade on them. It's just what it is. Things are hard, times are hard. But the sad truth about it is that I've never gone without it, and you see what happened to me the other day. Good thing I had that 2 months secured, covered. So it's not something that I can bypass at all. So I'm just sorry that if she doesn't end up living in this property, it would be because of that. Definitely would be because of that. Yeah. But I hope someone comes up with. There are a lot of people, they just can't afford the security deposit. But here's the thing: the gall of some of these people to think that all you need to show is a piece of paper and voila, you're in the property. No, no. So now they're finding that out, and it makes them feel, bad. There's this one young gentleman. Well, I'm not sure that he's young. um, he had an attitude, like how dare me? Had an attitude. I was mindful and respectful, and said to him that I don't think that this is going to work for you. Let me help you out here. Because you can't afford the down payment, there may be trouble down the road. Man, but I go to church. So do I. So do I. But you still want to protect yourself and be mindful that you don't fall into trouble, and I don't put myself in a position that's going to turn around and beat me, where. You know, it's I'm just hoping that I get someone as soon as possible who can. I may turn to the real estate agents, but if I do use the real estate agent to get me someone, I just have to know that I would no longer require the 2 month security. I would have to only require 1 month security, considering that the agent would need to get a month security for themselves. And those are the consequences. So, and that's the reason I was trying to do it on my own, but I'm not able to do it. But so I tell you what, renting your property as a form of business, as a rental income, this is some of the downsides and the side effects that can deter or set back your business. You know, getting a tenant out and getting someone in. Getting a tenant out, getting someone in, renovating the property, and dealing with violations and all that. These are serious setbacks in a rental income business. Serious setbacks. The one difference with I don't think people mainly or they do mainly requires look forward to rental income as the most what do you call it now, the most massive impact on their business in terms of asset appreciation would be the rental income. I don't think it is. I actually think it's the appraised value in the property, the how the property appreciates year by year, because you can really get rental income, but the struggles and hardship that goes behind it, the things that happens for you to get that rental income, sometimes is not worth it. Sometimes it's just not worth it at all. So I would say, it's this is one of the downsides of it for me, and I'm just gonna keep my fingers crossed that I get someone that's good in this property, and someone who is going to give me less troubles, less issues, less problems. Don't come with your dramatic self and keep causing violation on my property. So yeah, that said, I am just hoping. I hope I find somebody before the week is over. That's my intention, and I hope someone calls me back to say yes, I have the security deposit, and I'm down to 2 people. That young girl is my number one. I'm hoping that she comes through. Where she living now? She stays in Brooklyn. So she wants to stay in Queens. So hopefully she comes back. Yeah, this is not a good part of the of my rental income property that I like at all. I don't like this part of it. I don't like choosing people. I am going to see if I can find a real estate agent if I hear nothing concrete by Wednesday. I'm definitely gonna be going out there and try to see if I can get a real estate agent to help me with this. This is not fun. This is not a fun part, but you have to stick to it because you need that income coming in. You absolutely need that income coming in. So I just want to get back here, share this part of the journey with you, since I've shared all other parts of the journey of rental income. So yeah, thank you for stopping by and watching my video, and like, share, and subscribe. My name is Claudia. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.